Do your agents struggle with finding information quickly in your knowledge base? Well, if I got something for you, Procedureflow now has agent assist integrations that help agents find information in real time. Let me show you how it works. Here I'm showing the Amazon Connect environment. When a customer calls in, AWS will use audio transcription to detect the reason for the call. Once it has detected the reason, using our pre-built integration, AWS will pop up suggested call flows that an agent can then select to proceed with the customer's inquiry. Procedureflow will then visually guide the agent through all the steps of the process in a more manageable way. This includes breaking down all the systems they need to access in order to resolve the issue. With Procedureflow, your agents can help solve customer problems quickly and correctly, and best of all, they'll have tons of confidence when handling those really complex issues. For more information about how Procedureflow can help your agents instantly access the information they need, request a demo at procedureflow.com.